Hey guys, welcome back. So we've got rid of the Harley golf cart. We sold the Suzuki TC90, the Suzuki RV125. We sold the Hyundai golf cart. We've still got the Suzuki JR50 sitting here waiting for the drum brake assembly. Paul has a very cool old chainsaw here. We're gonna get up and running. Not sure the year, I'm gonna say 70s, 60s. And then he also had this sitting in the shed. We're gonna get her up and running. She's got spark, we've already had her to fire her up. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along, guys. She's a runner. Alright guys, we're gonna start working on the Pioneer P20. I'm gonna clean her out. I did blow out some of the sawdust in there. We're gonna open up this side and get all the sawdust in, get her nice and clean. And we're gonna replace the pull cord and get the recoil fixed up. Hey guys, we got the bar off, chains off. I'm gonna start cleaning out all of that in there. Try to get the motor as clean as possible. Then we'll get her put back together and fire it up. Hey guys, here with Polly. We got the chainsaw back together, new recoils in. We're gonna see if we can get her fired up.
Oh, she needs choking off. Now she's just running. Oh, it'd help if I had the switch on.
Yep. Boneheads Garage, baby. Like and subscribe.